ऐका रे तुम्ही आता झाडां कातरल्या मरे तुम्ही अरे रेडे आणि पाडे हे कित्याक बिहेव जाता रे तुम्ही Don't you know, didn't you know that this road was so broad? And this goes out to all those bloody MLAs who want to increase the size of the road. You know it at least 6 months before. So please start planting other trees. एक तर उडयले जाल्यार 3 तरी आनीक लाय रे फुडें लाय रे झाडाय तू रोड उरून जातलो तो हा काट करून करून निमाणे आमच्यो गोमट्योय कातर बंद कर ते
आम्ही आता एकट्याला हिंगा ही झाडां सांबाळपाक 21 झाडां कापपाक लायलेली कित्याक रोड वायडनींग आनी एक गाटर जाता ब्लॉक जाता म्हणून सो आतां तेणें एग्री केला की झाडां कापची ना आनी जे जाग्यार झाडां कापूंक जाय ती ट्रान्सप्लांट करतले वॉट एवर इज पॉसिबल सो क्लॉड इज ऑल्सो डिस्कस वी आर थँकफूल टू हिम कमिंग हियर क्लॉड विल एक्सप्लेन नाउ वॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज गोइंग टू बी द प्लॅन टू सेव दिस ट्रीज
That certain trees they will not cut anymore. They will keep them as they are. And we have agreed with the PWD and the forest department that those trees will not be touched for the moment. And wherever they are cut, at least the main tree, that is the rain tree at the beginning of the road, they will not touch at all. Whatever trees they have cut, they will maintain them so that they can regenerate. And whatever trees which have to be removed, like a few coconut trees, trees which are coming exactly on the middle of the footpath, those trees they will remove. And we are still examining, the government says that they will still examine whether some trees can be still kept where they are without the need for transplanting them. Because from here to Parra, the road is now becoming open. It is going to become a merciless hot road because there are no trees. All the trees have been cut for the road widening. The government says that they have kept space on one side of the road for planting more than 60 trees. So we are very happy with that, and we are saying that this should be done for all highways and all road expansion. No highway, no road expansion should be done without there being a proposal that they will not cut the trees and they will find a place where the trees can be transplanted, and they will make as part of the project proposal, they will make acquisition of land for planting trees as part. So these are discussions that are going on. We are very happy that the government has taken swift action, and their PWD and the forest department have come to the site, and they have agreed with us also that certain things should not be done any further. After a few days, further discussions will take place. But in the meantime, whatever obstruction is there for the completion of the road, so this road has to be completed by 31st of December in a petition that is filed by the Goa Foundation. This has to be finished by 31st of December. So we are very keen that there should be no further obstruction to the continuance of the work. So today there has been agreement on all parties that wherever there is a blockage, that blockage will be cleared. If there is a route, that route will be removed and put somewhere else. Some of the landowners are making available their plot for putting some of the trees which will be removed, and 4 to 5 trees will remain where they are till further decision can be taken.
जेन्ना डेव्हलपमेंट करता तेन्ना खंय तरी थोडी झाडां कापची पडटा थंय कितें ऑब्जेक्शन
आमचे ऑब्जेक्शन कितें आसता की तुमचे सुजाव करतात न्हय प्रपोजल करतात त्याच प्रपोजलान तुमी कांयच म्हणिनात कित्याक म्हण इतलीं झाडां आहात इतली कातरूंक आमकां पडटाली आनी मागीर हे तांकां रिलोकेट करपाचें तुमी कांय घालिनात यू डोंट पूट एनीथींग इन अ प्रपोजल तुमी बेश्टे अप्रूव करतात आनी मागीर काम सुरू जाल्ल्या उपरांत मागीर तुमी येतात म्हणटात ना हो झाड काडूंक जाय हो काडूंक जाय हो काडूंक जाय आनी परवरी तुमी जाणा 600 ट्रीज झाडां तांणी कातरल्यात 600 आनी शिवोली तांणी झाडां कातरल्यात आनी हांगाय हांगा झाडां कातरपाचे तांचे प्रयत्न आहा कित्याक आमी विचारलें तांकां तुमचो प्लॅन काय आहा झाडां तुमी लावपाचें म्हणून तांणी हांगा मागीर डिस्कस केला की ह्या आयलँड तांणी स्वाद दवरल्या फॉर प्लांटींग अबाउट 68 trees. So because of that we said okay, if you are planting in 68 trees then you can remove 15-20 trees you can remove, but where you should not remove, keep it there. Where you can transplant, you try and transplant because some land will be given to you. But the big tree which is there in the beginning, that is the rain tree, which was planted 40 years ago by the owner of the petrol pump, Mr. Val Carvalho. That tree, please do not, because it's the biggest tree which is there as a symbol for entry into Mapsa town. So it gives a very good impression of Mapsa town that when you come there, your first encounter is with the biggest rain tree. And even on the other road that is going to Korni, therefore PWD has agreed and they have not cut the biggest banyan tree in Mapsa, which is on that road. That banyan tree is so big, the cover of the banyan tree goes across the entire road at Korni, opposite agriculture station. So similarly, if you look at the tree there, that is at the beginning, the rain tree, the coverage, the canopy of the tree has gone on the other side of the road. It is so big and it only can do benefit to human beings. Therefore, it should not be removed. But please plan to remove them in advance. Please make the cost of the removal of the tree part of the project and put some expert body to see that you actually plant those trees and look after them for 5 years. That is what we are saying. We are not interested in obstructing anything. We are obstructing only a method of doing business. Your method should change. You should put the cost of trees as part of the project proposal. Otherwise, don't do it. Otherwise, we will oppose. And this is the problem which will create when you start cutting the trees. Whole of Goa will come to protest.
Yes.
And PWD will be very unpopular. ते म्हणता आम्ही, ते आमचे म्हणणे.
We oppose the tree.
There were people on the road, there was police action, people were arrested. ते सगळे झाले ते because
massive protest.
that is one of the biggest banyan trees on that road and it's a Rakondar place. You don't touch Rakondars, places where Rakondars are venerated. That is part of Goan tradition. Roads are not part of Goan tradition, these wide roads. They are being made only for the cars. If you look at your camera, look where the cars are being parked. All the cars, they are making road widening for the cars to be parked. If the cars can be parked, why can't you park the trees also there? The trees will provide some shade for the cars.
Right.
But if you are doing road widening, how can you park a car in the road widening area?
Both sides का.
And also hawkers. There are hawkers, there are cars, there are carts.
That is not proper.
Yeah.
The tree is not doing harm to anybody.
See, development has to be around the trees, not by cutting the trees. At least transplant, where it is not possible, it's right in the middle, then you can use as a part of the road divider. But if it's obstructing the traffic, at least use some brains.
We had a Punjabi colleague today, also an environmentalist. आप तो कुछ कहना है?
आप बोलिए ना कुछ. Myself, environmentalist is Sahil Sharma and an animal rights activist also. I work in Punjab basically. I have been planting trees. I also have an NGO. They are Salute the Trees organization करके. And we had planted around 4 micro forests using Miyawaki technique and Ayurvedic forest also and 25,000 trees. जिसमें से 23,000 trees are alive. So all that work we are doing there. अभी just day before yesterday I came to Goa for a conference yesterday in Bombay High Court in Goa. तो वहाँ से वापस आते हुए I saw मेरा पेट्रोल ख़त्म हुआ रेंट पे लिए एक्टिवा का तो the person pushed me till here. He brought me till here to the pump and when I was मतलब going from this side I saw the trees were being cut. So I was aware of the fact that if I am working there for the trees then why not I shall raise my voice here. I told Kala ji जिनके पास मैं रह रहा हूँ 2 दिन से तो उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि प्लीज़ गैदर सम पीपल वी हैव टू रेज आवर वॉइस एंड सेव दिस ट्रीज एंड शी पास द मैसेज हेड इन द ग्रुप्स और सुबह 4-5 लोग पहुँचे फिर कल एडवोकेट नॉर्मा जी से आई मेट लास्ट ईयर in Chandigarh in the FIAPO event. So I was aware of her work. Yesterday also I saw her in the Bombay High Court. So at that moment I requested ma'am also I took her number from someone and requested her ma'am यहाँ पे पेड़ काटा जा रहा है जल्दी प्लीज़ आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कुछ कीजिए हमारा हेल्प कीजिए. Then she came with sir and सर से मुलाकात हुआ पहली बार. फिर यहाँ पर पेड़ों को बचाने का हमने प्रयास शुरू किया है because development के नाम पे जो डिस्ट्रक्शन दे आर कॉजिंग the government is causing everywhere in India since the government the last 10 years तो जितना पेड़ कटा है जितना रोड वाइडनिंग के नाम पे पेड़ कटा है उतना कहीं नहीं कटा. That is why we are here for the trees and we will fight for the trees. जो ट्रांसप्लांट हो सकते हैं उनको किया जाएगा. हालांकि ट्रांसप्लांटेशन इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन आफ्टर ऑल बिकॉज चांसेस ऑफ द सर्वाइवल ऑफ ट्री इज very less chances, but still we are trying. 2 to 3 trees are there which I can't call them as a obstruction because the roads are obstruction for the trees basically, but still the people who consider them that they are the obstruction 2 to 3 trees are the obstruction, main ones. So we will get them uprooted with the help of sir. Sir is here now, and we will get them transplanted in a very safe area there outside. Till then, we have been successful with the help of Cloud Sir कि वो जो सबसे आगे रेन ट्री लगा हुआ है उसको कोई हानि नहीं पहुंचेगी. That is the honor, that is the अपना dignity of Mapusa, जो भी ये शहर का गांव का नाम है. And we are in love with the people like them जो यहाँ पर आए, सुबह से खड़े हैं हमारे साथ और हमारे साथ मिलके इन्होंने पेड़ों को बचाने का प्रयास किया. Thank you so much. All the youth को I only want to request, please, it's your future and it's your next generation's future. Do not get your future. Do not let the politicians to decide your future. जिनका एज अभी 50-60 साल का है, वो अगले 20 साल उन्होंने जिंदा रहना है कि नहीं, वो डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि आपका फ्यूचर क्या होगा. पेड़ काटा जाएगा रोड वाइडन करने के लिए. इनको करप्शन नहीं दिखता. नेपाल में जो हो रहा है वो नहीं दिखता. हमारे पंजाब में फ्लड आया हुआ है अभी. गुरदासपुर में आज तक का सबसे वर्स्ट फ्लड आया है पंजाब में. वहाँ पे लोग सफर कर रहे हैं गुरदासपुर फिरोजपुर एरिया में, हिमाचल में. एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट अभी 4 दिन पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया है, उसने चीफ सेक्रेटरी से मांगा है रिप्लाई कि दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज यू हैव बीन कटिंग द ट्रीज, गवर्नमेंट हैव बीन कटिंग द ट्रीज एंड दिस इज उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस. इसका जवाब 2-3 हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर, नहीं तो यू विल बी सस्पेंडेड. तो चीफ सेक्रेटरीज को उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है ऑल दिस इज हैपनिंग अंडर आवर आई एंड यूथ इज जस्ट स्लीपिंग. नो वन आई कैन सी. मेरा एज 24 है, 24 मेरा एज है. He has come from Delhi yesterday he took in the morning, he took flight today for 4 AM and I told him yesterday कि यहाँ पेड़ काटा जा रहा है, जल्दी आओ. And he came just now, an hour ago. This is the dedication we want in the youth today. गोवा का इतना शानदार टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है. गोवा में लोग क्यों आ रहे हैं? ग्रीनरी के लिए. नहीं, ग्रीनरी के लिए आ रहे हैं ना सर. हम जो काम
killing the goose that is laying the golden eggs, to kill the goose, then nobody will come to the desert. Why they have to come here?
और जो काम
Desert are converting into green. And they are cutting our trees and making Goa a desert.
and जो काम सरकार को करना चाहिए, that what we are doing it. So then we are planting trees who are NGOs.
These guys are getting paid to do the planning and everything, and that is why we as citizens we have to spend our time and energy and resources.
Such a shame, sir, on the MLA or the on the politicians. The person came, no, the जो अभी आए थे यहाँ पे, कहाँ है वो? He spoke the right thing कि जो MLA है, he knows everything. That what happened 6 months ago, but tender has been passed, everything has been passed. They are taking out place at that side of the road just to plant new trees and cutting down the trees which have been planted here already from 20, 40, 50 years. है ना जी? तो we have to fight for our environment or else the nation का बेड़ा गर्क तो हो रहा है और होता रहेगा.
Yesterday we had a hearing. The hearing is solely tree cutting.
Yes.
In the High Court, the judge has clearly said that we cannot afford to cut trees which are heritage trees, decades-old trees,
Native trees.
and they will not grow with such pollution. If you plant another new tree, you see in Bombay trees are not growing, Delhi trees are not growing because the pollution is so much. The toxic level in the AQI is so high in the air that the trees are not able to survive.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
हो गया शुरू पहला सेमेस्टर, सीनियर सामने नर्वस प्रेशर, लेक्चर्स, हैंगआउट्स, लेट नाइट रील्स, मस्ती वाले ये अपने व्हील्स.
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड,
Slowly matching vibe.
Activa, 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 first love बोले तो Activa. आओ करें try एक नया पाथ, click your first, make your mark.